Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be announcing the March nail giveaway winner. But first, I want to thank everyone that has been participating. This is month 3, and as you guys know, every month throughout 2024, I will be doing a nail product giveaway. So thank you to everyone that has been participating. To enter is real easy and it's free. And I want everyone to stay encouraged because every month there will only be one winner. So don't give up. Keep entering. Now let's get straight into the video. Shout out to all of my channel members. If I haven't told you lately, know that I appreciate you. For March, the winner was handpicked, and as stated previously, is different ways I will be selecting the winner. And you can check out this video that I briefly discuss how I'll be picking the winner. This winner was chosen because she's always doing her press-ons and tagging me in videos. So she's a young lady that's into nails, and I thought this giveaway would be perfect for her because, as you all know, March giveaway is a Gel X kit, and if you do the nails properly, you will get 3+ weeks wearing out of this. I have a video linked here. Check that out. It would help you achieve these nails. And without waiting any further, the winner for March is Beyond the Blue in Family. This is for her daughter, Blue. I hope you enjoy these nails. I know you will tag me in the video while you are doing those nails or after the nails are done. I think this will be great for you, and congratulations. Thank you all for supporting my channel, liking, subscribing, interacting with me. I appreciate each and every last one of you. I look forward to my next giveaway. Stay tuned for the video for April announcing what the prize will be. And yeah, make sure your notification is turned on so you won't miss that video. Beyond the Blue Mom, please email me so I can get this package mailed off to you all on tomorrow. Thanks again for participating in my monthly giveaways. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.